My name is Damion Litrel. I work for Nightingale. I've done EV installations for about 10 years now. And this is kind of the first couple installs we've done with Hypercharge. The relationship has been great. Nightingale cover a lot of ground in electrical. We're experts at fire alarm. We do EV, multi-residential, commercial. There's a wide variety of installations, especially in the service department. Currently at Claridge House, this is a multi-residential building. Nightingale did the base build for all the electrical from the parkade up. Over a year of installing here. It's been a journey. For this particular project, Hypercharge will pre-commission the access points for us. So it's a huge help because we just pretty much install our access points that they provided and it automatically connects to the charger. Hypercharge can see the status of it right away. If there's any complications, I can always rely on them to tell me which charger's down and which access point's not working, so we can pinpoint the troubleshooting from there. We future-proof the installation, so it's pretty much EV ready at any point for additional chargers to be brought in. So there may be one charger on one circuit, but there's 3 other potential stalls that could be added on later on. So all we have to do is just connect to it. The wire's already there, everything's all ready to go. The main thing that we like about Hypercharge is the fact that you guys are local, and if there's any issues, you could come to site and troubleshoot. It's not just a business collaboration, it's more of like a friendship as well too. We get along so well and we've had 0 issues with Hypercharge.